Hi, thanks for inviting me over. Welcome to New Crochet Podcast, episode 105. Today is a little bit different than the usual podcast because we are starting a KAL, a crochet along. We are doing the Bloomscape KAL 2023 starting now. But before we get started, I want to announce the winner from episode 104. And congratulations to Kimberly Noble. Congratulations, Kimberly. Send me an email, Krista@secretyarnrae.com, and I will email you my latest pattern. If you want to win a free pattern, I'll tell you how to do it at the end of this video. So the Bloomscape KAL 2023, it is one new granny square every month for 12 months. So cute, right? So the blocks are the same, but the center flower will change, a new one every month. Each one of these blocks measures 9 inches square, but when we join them up, it's gonna be 10 inches. So if you wanna do a baby blanket size, you'll just crochet one of each of these blocks. If you wanna make a twin size, crochet 2 blocks per month. And if you wanna make a king size, crochet 4 blocks per month, 4 of each flower. So each month I'll be releasing a new tutorial and written pattern for a brand new flower granny square. And tomorrow I'll be showing you how to turn that flower granny square into the block that we'll be using for the blanket. So each month a new granny square, and then just come back to tomorrow's video and convert it into the block for our KAL. So this is going to be the first flower. This is the petal popping granny square from a couple weeks ago, and you can just go ahead and turn that into this block. Now before I jump into the materials and the yarn you're gonna need, I wanna take a sec and thank our members. Thank you so much for helping me make more videos. If you'd like to help too, just click that join button under this video. Now the materials you are going to need. I did all of mine with a size 4 worsted weight acrylic yarn for all of my flowers and blocks, and a 5mm crochet hook. I wanted them to hold their shape a little bit, not be too floppy. So to make 12, 1 flower for each month, so you can multiply this depending how big you want your blanket to be. You will need 300 grams of the green. So 100 grams gets you 4 blocks basically. 200 grams of the cream color and 200 grams of white for joining. We're gonna join at the very end so we can mix and match all of our flowers. You will need 100 grams or like 1 ball of green for the leaves. For the flowers, you're just gonna need little scraps of yarn. It's a great stash buster, or you can grab some colors that you really wanna use for your flowers. So that's exciting KAL news. I don't have any finished objects this week. I've been just sorting out the colors and flowers I wanna do for the KAL. So fun. And my whips are the same thing. I'm just working on these flowers. So you wanna win a free pattern. This is how you do it. Number 1, subscribe to this channel. Just click this button under this video if you haven't already, and then answer question of the week. I'll pick a random comment who answered the question and is a subscriber of the channel, and then announce it in next week's podcast. So question of the week, what you have to answer down below today is, do you crochet in realistic colors or fantasy colors? What is your go-to? If you're crocheting, say, flowers, do you pick colors that represent that flower in nature, or do you pick colors that you have in your yarnscape that would be just gorgeous anyway? So let me know if you are a realistic color crocheter or a fantasy color crocheter under this video, and we'll see you in that video right now. Stay hooked.